Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to change the owner of a Google Doc. So let's get started the video. First, open the Google Docs document that you own. To transfer ownership, you must be the current owner of the document. Now click the share button from the top right corner. If the person you want to transfer ownership to hasn't been added yet, enter their email address in the sharing box. Then click send. Once the person has access to the document, open the share window again. Now find the person you want to make owner. Click the drop-down menu next to their name. And from here select transfer ownership. Then click send invitation. Google Docs will show you a confirmation message. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.